Dúdí Bharjik, Jamar Tashiv, is Mr. Robert agus Falta Cogmare. So hi guys, I'm Robert. Welcome to my farm where we host our pop-up Gaeltachts once a month. So I set up the pop-up Gaeltacht about a year ago as my first one. The reason being I started learning Irish myself. I did go to a class a couple of years ago, but sort of with not being within the right community as such to learn it and to use it, it sort of fell by the wayside. And then a year ago, I really threw myself into learning Irish again and trying to use it every day. And I wanted to find a way of being able to engage with others in learning Irish. Before that, there was always pop-up Gaeltachts in pubs and bars, and that's not really my scene. I'm not the sort of person that would go and sit in a booth and chat with somebody in English I didn't know. So doing it in Irish was just completely out of the question. So I wanted to find a way of being able to host an event here at the farm where I run other tourism events that people could come and try out their Irish, but in a relaxed environment. And if you don't speak to a person, you can always speak to a donkey, is what I say. It is a bit strange being a Protestant learning Irish nowadays, but it's nothing new. My great-grandfather spoke it. We were able to find in the 1901 census his whole family in the family farm in the Fermanagh Monaghan border all spoke it. And my dad even says he does remember his grandfather counting in Irish. So at our monthly pop-up Gaeltachts, we always have some time with the animals. The donkeys are laid out like this. You get up close to them. These guys are all therapy trained, so there's no problem getting up close and personal. You can walk behind them, touch their tails, legs, ears, and you can spend time meeting the goats, the sheep and the other animals, and just being in and around other people. And then halfway through, my mum always makes some homemade soup with some bread, and you can enjoy that in by the fire, chatting to other people. People who have come to the pop-up Gaeltachts have really enjoyed it. I had a group who were complete beginners, but like me are actually a bit introverted, and the idea of going somewhere and socialising in Irish was maybe a bit too much, but they knew they could come to a farm, they could cuddle some donkeys, get some soup and some bread, and just be in and around other relaxed people in a safe environment that if they use a couple of fuckle, that's okay. And if they don't, you know what, it's no harm, but they've tried.